With the group styling feature in Thrive Architect, you can turn a section that looks like this into a section that looks like this, and it is super fast and easy to do. I'll show you how, coming right up. Hi, I'm Christine with Thrive Themes. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to do that, and be sure to ring the bell to be notified when we publish new videos. So as you create things like sales pages, opt-in pages, maybe your about page, or even blog posts for your website, you might want to add sections that have lots of similar elements. And so when you think of customizing a section like this, it might seem pretty tedious. For example, if you want to do something as simple as changing the text color, at first glance, it looks like a lot of clicking. But in Thrive Architect, you can take advantage of the group styling feature to customize entire sections of your website in as few clicks as possible. So let's dive in. So I'm starting here with a pre-built landing page, and all of the pre-built landing pages and blocks in Thrive Architect already have group styling built in wherever it's applicable, as do certain elements such as the styled list element. For this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating using one of the blocks. Blocks are really handy because they're pre-designed, so you don't have to start from scratch. So let's say that I would like to add some testimonials to this page. Let's say that I'd like to add them right here. I can either click the Add Block button, or I can click the Add Element button, and then I can simply click and drag the block element into place. Now let's make sure that I'm seeing all of the blocks. And let's specifically look at the testimonial blocks. As you can see, there are lots of designs to choose from. For now, I'll choose this one. So the way group styling works is I can select just one element in a group, and when I customize that particular item, my customizations will be applied to all of the other elements in the group as well. So let's say I would like to add a bit of color to these boxes. I'll simply select one box, and then I'll go to the Background Style tab, and I will add a solid color. So let's choose a color. And as you can see, that color was applied to all of the other boxes as well. And I can also make additional customizations to change up the look. So let's add a drop shadow. Let's also change the text color. And let's also change the shape of these profile photos. So I'll simply click on the image, and then I'll go to Borders and Corners, and then I'll adjust the corner radius. And let's do the same thing for the decorative element behind it. All right, so as you can see, this is starting to look very different than it did just a few minutes ago. Group styling is a very powerful feature, and it will let you make lots of customizations in very little time. Now, what if there's one particular item within a group that you want to customize individually? You can absolutely do that in Thrive Architect. So everything is grouped by default, but let's say that you want to call attention to a particular item in a group. So for example, let's say that we want to change the background color for this middle testimonial. I'll simply click on the content box. And when you click on a grouped item, you'll notice that in the corner of the container, there is a green lock icon. So when this icon is green, the element is currently grouped. You can ungroup a particular item by clicking on that lock icon. And when the lock icon is red, then you'll know that it is currently ungrouped. So now we can go ahead and customize just this one item, and it won't affect the others. So let's change the background color of this content box. And now that I'm done making this individual customization, I can regroup it by clicking the lock icon again, and then any further customizations will affect the entire group. So let's say I'd like to change the corner radius for this group of boxes. I'll go to Borders and Corners, and I'll simply adjust the corner radius. And because everything is grouped, that customization affected all of the items in the group. All right, so that's how to use group styling in Thrive Architect. As you can see, it makes customizing the pages on your website really very fast, so you don't have to spend hours in front of your computer customizing individual elements. You can get Thrive Architect and the rest of our tools when you purchase Thrive Suite. The link's going to be down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.